Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am in my Etsy shop. I'm editing this and I will show you why. Mostly everything transfers over. There's just a couple of stuff that you have to put in there. I think it's not ceramic. I have to look through this. Is stainless steel. Alright, just do that. And then color, primary color, white. It's optional, you don't have to put it. Is it dishwasher? I think it said no. Yeah, hand wash only, so it's not dishwasher safe. Microwave safe, yes. It does have a handle. Insulated, yes. Alright. Recycle glass, wood, no. I guess you could have. Alright. And then occasion, just put like baby shower anniversary, birthday. Could be anything you want it to be. So, can be for birthday or it could be for Christmas. Alright, funny, I am no run a robot. It's on there. You can add some more things there if you want, but alright, so this section, I want it to go to my print on demand, and then here is what you want to make sure that you fill out, because this is what's going to help everybody that's searching for stuff on Etsy or even on Google to find you. So I want to say funny cup, cup, pick, tumbler, heart, color, style, shape, drinking cup, just find different stuff, whatever you want to put, you can. Oh, I already put that. Coffee cup. I already put funny, I already put sarcastic. I mean, you don't have to use up all 5, but I mean, it's best if you do. I already put Christmas present, birthday. I mean, just put any present. I already did. Yeah, blue. Cup, digital art, traveling, there we go, traveling mug, traveling gift. I didn't use that one yet. Alright. Stainless steel. Or is it AL? And then down here you can change the price again. You can do quantity, like if you only want to do like 10, 1. But the most it will let you do is $9.99. Alright. So this is why I added on $5, because I'm going to make the shipping free. Free shipping for US and Canada. And then all the other ones could stay the same. And then you can put the weight and everything on there too, but I mean everything's in the description, and then you can do your own policy. I only do exchanges, but you could do returns, or you cannot do anything at all. And then you just publish it. And that's that. Alright, don't forget 4 more days and I'm going to name the winner for my giveaway. And yeah, y'all have a great night. Bye.